Well, it depends. It depends on the square footage. It depends on the traffic that the building has. It also depends what do they do, because sometimes in warehouses it's going to get obviously dirtier than in offices when it's just regular offices. But it's ranging around 25 to 50 cents a square foot. It goes based on a square foot. Also, it depends how much like an access, like is there water in the building? Sometimes they're brand new. They just want bonded but not extraction, or sometimes they want extraction. Sometimes they want both. So it really all depends on what the client is looking for. And we always work with their budget as well. Cleaning up is really good for that. We always try to meet the middle, depending on the client's needs. We have Briley, our sales manager. It's either her or me that go out and we meet with the client, so we can do like a little walkthrough. That way on our end, we know what equipment, we know exactly, is it like a heavier carpet cleaner that we need, or it's just going to be, like less aggressive carpet cleaner that we're going to use. But in situations like that, sometimes the floor techs just come in, they're like, Stephanie, this is not doing it for it. And I'm like, perfect. No, don't worry. What do you need? And I come back here at the office here and cleaning up. We switch right away the chemical. We have a warehouse right here. So, we have to get it done, and we figure it out and we just get it done. Typically, I would say once, twice max a year would be great, especially here in Kansas that it snows. With the salt, the debris, and all those factors really affect the lifetime of the carpet. Probably warehouses that there's 100 of people every day walking in and out, in and out, in and out. And they're their traffic is just all day. Some of these warehouses are even 24 hours. So I recommend they're at least quarterly. And it's going to save, the lifetime of the carpet. It's going to give you more time for that carpet.